This is the Discogs item I want marketplace screen after an initial round of iterations and the implementation of the final features. Over here on the left we can see we have filters we can apply. I'm going to go ahead and apply a filter for ships from the United States. I'm going to add a couple more filters. I'm going to go to media condition mint and also near mint. We can see these filters have all populated at the top with an option to save the filters, which is what I'll do now. This screen opens up and we have confirmation that these 3 filters are being saved. We're going to give that a name. I'm going to check this box to save the search filters as the default settings whenever I visit the marketplace. Now we have confirmation. The saved search filters can be managed in your profile, and we can continue to add additional filters to this saved filter if we like. Over here at the top left, we see our named filter in effect. If we expand this, we see up the options that make up this filter. If we look at our first listing here at the top, it says seller has 3 more items I want. If I hover over these miniature thumbnails, we get tooltips to show us the items that are offered by the seller without having to click into the seller's page. If we click on one of these, we'll go to the items on our want list offered by that seller. In this case, it's 4 total. We notice the first 2 have options for other copies. Previously, if the seller had 20 copies of an album, you would see all 20 copies, assuming they met your search filter requirements. We see here in the top left, our search filter is still very much in place. We can open up these to see different options for this album. If we go to the second one here, we will see that it shows the first 2 of 3 available, but the last one says 1 copy available outside your search filter settings, and we have the option to look at that if we want. We see that the media is very good plus and the sleeve is poor, and that's why it didn't show up initially. And those are the final features implemented into this Discogs redesign.